The next thing is clocks. So let me tell you some basic things about clocks. So the total angle subtended by a clock at the center, the total angle over here, it will be equal to 360 degrees. And the angle made by an hour hand at the center will be 30 degrees per hour. That is, the hour hand will make 30 degrees in 1 hour. That is, if the hour hand is over 12 and it gets to 1 in 1 hour, it will subtend 30 degrees in this and 0.5 degrees per minute. And the angle subtended by minute hand at the center will be equal to 360 degrees per hour, as the minute hand takes a full circle in an hour, and 6 degrees per minute. The other common terms are right angle. Right angle is basically a 90-degree angle. When the two hands are in this position, they will make a right angle, and there are two right angles per hour. That is, in 1 hour, two right angles are made by the hour hand and minute hand. Other one is straight line. Straight line means when the angle between the two hands is 180 degrees, and also there are two straight lines in 1 hour. Overlap means when the two hands are over each other. That is, one is over here and the other is over that one. So it gives us overlap. And we get an overlap after every 65 multiplied by 5 by 11 minutes. Some other things are that we assume the clock to be a circular path with the circumference being 60 kilometers. As we can see, it can be taken as 5 kilometers, the other 5, and this way the total will come out to be 60 kilometers. And speed of the minute hand is 60 kilometers per hour, as it covers a whole circle in an hour, and the speed of the hour hand is 5 kilometers per hour, as it covers only this 5 kilometers distance in an hour. So the relative speed of minute hand with respect to the hour hand will be 60 minus 5, that is 55 kilometers per hour. Also, when we have to find the distance between the two hands, we can see at 3 o'clock the distance between the two hands is 5, 10 and 15 kilometers. Now let us do a question. Between 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock, when hour hand and minute hand of a clock overlap each other. So we have to find out the time when both the hands will overlap between 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock. Now we know that the relative speed of the hands is 55 kilometers per hour, and the distance between the two hands when the time is 5 o'clock will be 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So the distance we have is 25 kilometers. Now we are going to use that simple formula, time is equals to distance by speed. So we are given that distance is 25 and speed is 55. So it will take this much time to overlap. And we can further simplify it. So if we cut them, we'll get 5 by 11 hours. We can also convert it into minutes, that is 5 by 11 into 60 minutes. And from here we will get 60 multiplied by 5, that is 300 by 11 minutes. On dividing this, we get 27 minutes and 3 is just left in the remainder. So we convert that 3 into second, that is 3 multiplied by 60 by 11 second. In this way, we get the answer to be 27 minutes and 16 seconds. So this is the time taken by the hands to overlap each other between 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock.